Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes, as you guys can see, today is another unboxing video day. I'm super excited about this item that I purchased. But if you guys like any type of video that's bag related, whether it's unboxing, review, comparison, luxury, contemporary, it doesn't matter. This is the channel for you. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click the bell notification so that you're reminded every time that I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you guys and thank you for the support. As I was saying, guys, yes, today is another unboxing. Um, super excited, but kind of a little bit, I'm not sure what to expect because this is my first time ordering from this place when it comes to bag, especially for the pre-love market. Okay, so just a quick disclaimer, this is a pre-love item that I picked up. I think this company was having they wasn't having a sale, but they gave me $100 credit for signing up with an email address. So I had another $100 credit, but it was about to expire. So I was able to also find a 10, I think either a 10 or 15% code in order for me to buy this item. Anyway, instead of continue talking, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so let me get my dandy box cutter. Okay, guys, so as I was saying, quick story time. This company is the first time, and many times when I buy my pre-love items, I usually either buy from Fashion File or the River, but 90% of my pre-love item, especially luxury, it usually come from Fashion File because I love like their return policy and everything like that. But this is my first time ordering from this company, so I'm super excited. So the company that I ordered from is Rebag. I've heard a lot of really great things about it. So I wanted to give them a chance. Let me just get out the item that I did order from them. And then let's move the box out the way. Okay, guys. So just taking the box out the way. All right. So as I was saying, this is my first time ordering from Rebag. Right there. I've heard a lot of great things about the company. So I wanted to try them out. So they just give you a little introduction about like a little postcard kind of thing. And then this is the item that I did order. I love the fact that it comes like this, honestly. Really nicely packaged. Okay. And then it has certificate by certified by Rebag. It has the, as you guys can see, I'm not sure if you can pick up what I did pick up. I did pick up the Louis Vuitton, the Toiletry 26. I love the little card that they give for your certification to say that it's certified. So this is what it is, guys. Okay, now, yes, guys. Love the dust bag, by the way, too. It's really sturdy. It's like cotton material. So, like I stated, I did order this beauty right here. So, this is the Toiletry 26 Louis Vuitton. This is the old one, not the new one, because the new one, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, it has leather on the side, and then it has like a chain that you can wear as a crossbody. But this is the older version. I didn't really want the new one because I didn't want to pay $1,700 because the new one, all they did was do this. Let's open this up. Let's just inspect it a little bit. Okay. Wow, it looks really good. They said it was in very good condition, but I've heard that Rebag is like really when it comes to the bag item, they're very strict on their rating, so that's a good thing. So it don't look like any issue, no nothing. Looks really brand new. I'm not sure if you guys can see the inside. Usually one thing I'm a little bit terrified for, especially when you're buying this kind of item, the inside, because a lot of like with the real world, a lot of times is that your inside photo is really not that good. But this one, it looks really good. It looks like the description. The only thing that I see that's a little bit like a mark is like right here. But I think you can wipe that because of the type of material it is. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Right here. Hopefully you guys can see. So that's the only thing that I really see. That's a mark on on this right here, this toiletry. Everything else, it looks really good. You have a little bit of nicks and everything on this end, like right here. See like a black nick right here, but really beside that, everything looks really good, even with the zipper. So you see this one is made in Spain, and even the zipper looks good. It's not tarnished or anything like that. So it looks really good, guys. The bottom is really in good structural shape. There's really nothing really major on the outside. You do kind of have like this little, oh, let's wipe away. So it's not even there really. And then you have this on this hand. So this really looks good. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware that this is no longer being sold on the Louis Vuitton website because they took this down because a lot of people were converting this to a crossbody. There is a conversion kit that you can buy from different places that you can put in here and then convert this into a crossbody. People use it as a toiletry for like traveling and stuff like that. People use this as a crossbody. People use this as a clutch. My idea for purchasing this is to use it as either a crossbody or a clutch when I'm going out, not really as a toiletry because I have a lot of toiletry items. So that's really the plan of purchasing this. So it looks really, really good, guys. So like I was saying with the rear wheel, when it comes to their photos, their inside photo is really not clear. So you kind of getting surprised on what you're getting. This one, the photos were very to point of what you're getting. So this is what it is right here. It is in pretty good shape, honestly speaking. I really wasn't expecting it, but this is in pretty good shape. So like I stated, this is the quick unboxing. I just wanted to unbox this. This is my first time ordering from Rebag. I'm really excited about ordering from them because I didn't really know what to expect. Because if this wasn't in good shape, trust me, I would have been returning this. But with them, they only have like a 7-day return policy. And everything has to obviously be in order. Don't cut this or any of those things. But with Fashion File, I think you have up to 30 days to return it, but this you only got 7 days. So that's why I wanted to do this quick unboxing of this item right here. I am super excited. So this is going to be in my collection. Super excited to finally have this in my collection. I've been looking at it. So like with this one, like I stated, it was listed, well, with these older ones, 90% of the time you're going to see it on the pre-loved market for over retail, way over retail, because like I stated, it's no longer available on the Louis Vuitton website. I think when this came out, because they have the 26, they have the 19, and then they have the 15 in these sizes, okay, in the toiletry size. I think when this came, I think this was like $600 or $700 for the 26, but it's no longer available on the Louis Vuitton website. They discontinued because they saw a lot of people, like I stated earlier, were using conversion kit and turning this into a crossbody and everything. So they decided to, guess what? They're going to take this off the Louis Vuitton website. Just a quick backstory. They're going to take this off the Louis Vuitton website and bring it back, but with theirs, the new ones now have leather on the side right here, and then they have a D-ring that you can connect that has the chain to it, and then also on the inside it now has a card holder, like I think like a couple of card holders that's on the pocket, and it comes with a toiletry 15. So they end up doing it that way and then jack the price to 1700. I didn't really want to pay 1700. I was really trying to pay as close to retail as possible because since Louis Vuitton did that on the pre-love market, these are so hard to come by, and actually for them to be in this much of a good condition is so hard for them to come by. So I was looking, I've been researching this for probably like 5 to 6 months now. I was looking for this one by conversion kit so I can convert it, but I wanted something that was in good condition. Everything that I've seen, it's not really in good condition. They were still hiking the price to like over $1,000 for it. So I did see this on the Rebag website. It was for like $970. But then, like I stated, when I signed up for Rebag, since it was my first time, they gave me $100 credit, store credit that I could use, but I had a time frame to use it. If not, I was going to lose it. And then also I found a 10 or 15% code, 10 to 15% code for it, so I used that as well. So this actually came down to what, I think either $700 plus tax. So it was like 720 or 730 for this bag, for this item right here, which I think is really good because it's almost close to retail, that you can get a lot of places, from Fashion File um to the Rare to Rebag. Many of these items, especially in this condition, is over $1,000 easily because it's no longer there. And you know how it goes, supply and demand. When something is no longer available on the designer house website, it's usually jacked up in the pre-love market. That's just what it is. We just got to play that game. So I'm super excited to add this. This is in great condition. Like I stated, it really doesn't really have too many stains on there. It's just like a little things. And then the one thing I love about this, you can wipe it down because of the type of material. But I am going to be getting a conversion kit and put it in there so that it no longer stained it. But it is in good condition. Look at it, guys. Very, very good condition. See the inside of it? It's in great. And I've been eyeing this, like I stayed for 5 to 6 months now, but I really wasn't willing to do any of that. And then you do have like the let's see. So you have the code right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's certified. It's a Louis Vuitton. It's right on this end right here. I don't think the camera is picking up. Yep, right there. It's in the material. So super excited. Anyway, guys, so this is the video for today. It's just my quick chatty video about getting this beauty finally to my collection and my experience ordering from Rebag as the first time. So anyway, if you guys like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. What are you waiting on? And also, in the comment description, in the comment below, let's have a discussion. Do you guys own the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26? Or what, if you don't own the 26, do you own any of the sizes like the 15 or the 19? And if you do, what do you guys use it for? Do you guys use a conversion kit and turn it into a crossbody, into a bag itself, or use it as a clutch, or do you just use it as a toiletry of what it was meant to be? So let's have a discussion in the comment below, okay, guys? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.